Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by signing into Dropbox. Calm with your existing credentials, this step triggers account-level settings. Once signed in, open the Profile menu and choose Settings to reach the Account tab. This is where email edits live. Make sure your new email is accessible so you can receive verification messages, because Dropbox will send a confirmation link. If you use single sign-on, pause and note whether your account is managed by work. You may need admin help before changing the email. You now change the address. In Settings under Account, click Edit beside Email and type the new address. Dropbox often asks for your password to confirm it's really you, so enter that when prompted. After saving, the service sends a confirmation email to the new address. You must open it and click Verify to finalize the swap. Make sure to check spam or filtered folders if you don't see it. If you use a mobile app, mirror the same steps in app settings to keep devices synced. Once you click the verification link, your Dropbox account updates immediately and you'll receive confirmation. Make sure to sign out and back in on other devices so tokens refresh. If the confirmation doesn't arrive, request a resend, inspect spam and server filters, and try a different email provider if necessary. If your account is tied to single sign-on or a company-managed account, you might need an admin to update your email. Contact them or Dropbox support to resolve permission.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.